So here we have some more practice with our order of operations. So again, the guidelines we have are you want to take parentheses and exponents, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first, right? So that's our basic order of operations agreement. So let's go and take a look at our expression here. So the first thing we see is we have some parentheses on the outside, so we know we need to go inside to these parentheses and see what's going on in here. So I have a 3 minus the quantity of -2 squared. So I see an exponent here. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that first. So if I am out here, let's just take a look. -2 quantity squared. That's the same as -2 times -2. Negative times negative is a positive, so I get a positive 4. So that evaluates to 4. Everything else stays the same. I have negative on the outside, 3 minus, because that minus came from here, right? I've evaluated the -2 squared, which gave me 4. I still have a cube on the outside, and then a -4 times 2. Okay, so that's our new expression. Still, I need to go work on the inside of my parentheses. So 3 minus 4 gives me a -1, and that whole quantity is going to be cubed. I still have a negative on the outside, and then a -4 times 2. Okay, I still see an exponent. So now I have -1 cubed, right? That's simply -1 times -1 times -1. And that's going to equal -1. So I have a negative still on the outside here, another -1, which I just evaluated, minus 4 times 2. So a negative times a negative, that's just a +1 minus, and that gets evaluated to be 8. So I have 1 minus 8 gives me a -7. In this next problem, I'm asked to evaluate the expression. Here's my expression. When a equals -5. So what that means is I'm going to put -5 in every time I see an a. Now the thing you have to be careful about is a equals the entire -5, right? So here, let me go ahead and rewrite my expression. I have a squared plus 3a plus 4. So it's not just 5 that gets squared. My whole -5 is my a. So that entire number gets squared, plus 3 times, again, a is -5, plus 4. So now this becomes an expression that we can evaluate using our order of operations. So -5 quantity squared. -5 times -5 gives me a +25. Plus, right, a 3 times a -5 gives me a -15. Or if you had seen it, it would just be -15. Plus 4. So if I go from left to right, because all I have is addition now, 25 minus 15, or plus -15, gives me 10 plus 4, and that simply equals 14.